Take it for what's worth. And then we're going to end on your favorite technology announced at CES. Something that I think truly, at least in your world, is going to change everything, it sounds like.
Yes, absolutely. So in CES, NVIDIA had its moment, Google had its moment, Rivian, Tesla, everybody under the sun had their big announcements, LG, Samsung. But the one that really got my attention was a cat. So there's this adorable cat that was brought out at CES, $25 cat robot, and its job is to blow on your coffee to cool it down to get it ready for you. Of course, this is a huge problem. If you have hot coffee, you want to get ready to drink it, but how are you going to also blow on it and keep it cool when you've got so much other work to do? So as adorable as this little cat, this Nékojita cat is, I think slightly on a serious note, I think what I liked about it is
Wait,
the
there's a
combination.
serious note to Fufu the cat. I want to hear it.
There's a serious note on this. That I love the design. Yeah, it is perfectly made for what it's supposed to do. It will save people's time, and most importantly, one of the big caveats and challenges I have with consumer tech right now is that everything's made to be smart. Everything's meant to get your data and put it into a data center and then track your preferences. This thing just breathes. This thing just blows on your coffee and just does its job without giving away all your information to the rest of
Okay,
the
so
world.
so there is only one person on the Nekojita team that I'm going to go and steal away and hire right now, and that is their chief marketing officer, because this is like the epitome of marketing. Because so this thing is being marketed as Fufu the robot cat. It's just a flippin' fan. That's all it is. It's not. Where's the robotics? Where's there anything about this? It's just a fan. I'm just like,
It's
maybe does it even have a heat sensor? Does it automatically stop blowing when it's cool? At least is that? I mean, is there something in there, or is it literally just a fan? Because if it is, then I've got a whole bunch of robots in my house that I just didn't know they were robots yet.
Hey, it says it just does its job in 3 minutes and cools down your drink. Sometimes that's all you want, a little happy cat
Oh
clawing
my goodness.
on your coffee cup.
Although I have to admit, I mean, all jokes aside, when I was reading through it, I thought, wow, what I mean, it was a gag gift, but what an amazing gag gift to buy somebody. It's like, here's your $25 robotic cat that blows on your coffee.
Sure, it's right
Oh,
up there
there
with
you go.
Pogs, Pet Rocks, the Snuggie.
There you go.